Do you want to launch your own online store, but keep it halal and ethical? Let me show you how to start a successful Shopify business without compromising your values. Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform. Whether you're selling physical items, digital downloads, or even drop shipping, Shopify makes it really simple to get started. But as Muslim entrepreneurs, there are some important principles I need to follow. Number 1. I avoid anything to do with interest. Number 2. I never sell haram products. And number 3. I stay honest in my marketing and delivery, no tricks. Now, choosing a halal niche is key. I focus on products that benefit people, like Islamic books, dates, prayer rugs, modest clothing for men, or even halal-certified foods. When I set up my store on Shopify, I always pick a clean, simple theme. I add my logo, upload my halal products, and connect a payment method that's free from interest. For product photos, I keep things clean and respectful. No images of people, especially women, just clear shots of the products. Promotion? I stick to ethical methods. Email marketing, WhatsApp status, Telegram groups, and working with halal influencers. Shipping and customer service? I make sure to ship quickly, answer questions with good character, and always stay honest. That's part of earning with barakah. Remember, the Prophet said the honest merchant will be with the prophets and the righteous. Earn your income with sincerity and honesty. Start your Shopify journey today. The halal way. May Allah bless your business with barakah and success.